Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to do another problem involving decimals. Here I have our base 10 blocks. This block represents one whole. Think about it like money. This block is kind of like $1. The rod represents 1/10. When you think about this like money, you should think of it like 10 cents or a dime. Lastly, this cube over here represents 1/100th. When you think about it like money, you should think about it like 1 penny. Let's try our problem. Mrs. Sanchez's class is trying to earn 100 stars so they can get a special treat. The shaded area in the model represents the number of stars they have earned so far. What decimal shows how many more stars they need to earn? Turn and tell someone around you what the shaded area in the model below represents. If you said the shaded area represents the number of stars they've earned so far, you are correct. So first, I'm going to look at my model because I know that the total is out of 100, but I don't know how many are shaded in. I know that each column represents 10. So let's start counting. I can tell over here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and I know that there are 5 left. So this is 1 completely shaded row, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have some single 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 56 stars have already been shaded in. What is the problem asking? Turn and tell someone around you what the problem is asking us to solve for. If you said how many more stars they need to earn, you are correct. What word stands out to you in the question? I noticed the word more. Whenever I'm trying to figure out how many more of something, I know I'm going to be subtracting. If I were to put that in a strip diagram, it looks like 56 from what they've already earned of the stars, a question mark of how many more they need to earn. Turn and tell someone around you what number goes on top. If you said 100, you are correct. Our whole, or the 100 stars, goes on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up my equation 100 minus 56. Let's begin regrouping. I cannot take away 6 from 0, and whenever I go over to regroup into my tens place, I notice it is also a 0. So I go over to the 1. The 1 becomes a 0, and I'm trying to regroup to my ones place. So this 0 is a 9, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. They have 44 stars left to earn. Thanks for following along.